Hi guys, in this episode of Cooking with the Lay Sisters, we'll be making corn chowder. This is a good recipe because it's perfect for this cold weather and it's full of vegetables. Something that not a lot of people like to eat. The ingredients you will need are thick cut bacon, 2 cups of frozen corn, 2 large carrots, 1 bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 potato, and 1 bag of kale. The spices you will need are some minced garlic, some chicken bouillon, or you can use chicken broth, some heavy cream, salt, black pepper, paprika, thyme, and some cayenne pepper. Let's get to cooking. Okay, in a soup pot I'm starting to fry the bacon. So don't put any oil. The bacon will just be releasing its own oil, so that will make it crispy. And that's the oil. And that's the fat that you'll be using to make your soup. I have the stove on high heat. You can hear the bacon sizzle. As you can see, it's starting to release some of the fat into the bottom of the pot. As you can see, the bacon is a little bit brown and it's released most of its fat, so we can just scoop it up and set aside. Don't scoop the oil, just scoop the bacon. We're gonna saute our onion. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now that the onions have become a little bit more transparent, we're gonna add our carrots. And our bell pepper. Now add your chicken bouillon, about 2 teaspoons. Your potato and 2 cups of water. And mix. Make sure that the water covers all your vegetables. If it's not covering all of your vegetables, add more water. 1 cup of water. Make sure the chicken bouillon is not clumped up. We're just gonna cover and let it cook. I brought the soup to boil. The potatoes start to soften up, which is a good thing. Now we're gonna add the spices. I recommend for the spices you add little by little to make sure it's to your tasting. First I start with the salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Black pepper. I'm very generous with the black pepper, if you know me. Sometimes Canna gets mad. Paprika. Paprika's not spicy, so but it adds a good flavor. and some thyme. So paprika and thyme, I usually add a 1/4 teaspoon, and cayenne pepper, just a pinch. But if you like spice, you can add more. Just mix. You can add your frozen corn, which should be thawed up by now. It's not frozen. This is about 2 cups of corn. I'm adding my 1 cup of heavy cream to make it creamy. If you don't eat dairy, you can just substitute it with some non-dairy cream, or you can add rice milk. And we're gonna finish it off with some of the kale. Well, a lot of the kale. Kinda doesn't look happy behind the camera. If you're not a big fan of kale, I suggest you try it. Just add a little bit, don't add too much. We're gonna cover and cook it for about 10 minutes. So I ended up adding two more cups of water and more salt. And I had it on the stove for about 20 minutes to bring everything to boil. So everything looks good. Just the final touch will be to add the bacon. We're just gonna add the bacon that I cooked initially. Mix it thoroughly. And it's ready to enjoy. This is a very colorful dish. If you know me, I love colorful dishes. The more colors, the better for me. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking with the Late Sisters. If you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye!